Algebra, an easy introduction. Algebra is where we use letters and other symbols to represent numbers. For example, A. So we're going to think of A being an apple to make it easier. Here we are, 4A plus 2A equals 6A. And if that A was an apple, it would be 4 apples plus 2 apples equals 6 apples. Now we're going to use B for banana. So if we had 2B plus 5B, it would equal 7B. So you could have 2 bananas plus 5 bananas equals 7 bananas. Here we have 3B plus B equals 4B. Now this is the invisible 1 rule. When there's just one letter, we count 1. For example, it would be 3 bananas plus 1 banana equals 4 bananas. So now we're going to change from plus to minus, and we're going to look at another letter or symbol. We're going to have K for kangaroo. 10K minus 8K equals 2K. 10 kangaroos minus 8 kangaroos equals 2 kangaroos. And we can use a Z, so we're going to have zebra. 8Z minus 3Z equals 5Z. 8 zebras minus 3 zebras equals 5 zebras. So we can have any letter. Now we're going to look at P. I'm going to use a parrot this time. 4P minus 2P equals 2P. So that would be 4 parrots minus 2 parrots equals 2 parrots. Now we're going to mix it up a bit. Let's have a look. Don't panic. 8AZ minus 3AZ equals 5AZ. So that is 8 apples and zebras minus 3 apple and zebras equals 5 apple zebras. Simple.